Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1987 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. Super cool car, guys. Love these cars. Man, I couldn't tell you how many of these I have sold. I have probably sold 300-400 of these things. Great cars, a lot of fun to drive, really just an iconic look. If you want something from the 80s, these and the Grand Nationals to me, and the Fox bodies, Mustangs are just, these cars are just super cool. Great car, original North Carolina car, clean CarFax on it, never been wrecked, 70,000 original miles on it. I just put, those are brand spanking new BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. They're the correct size, the 215, 65, 15. One repaint. This is the original color combination, the bright white with the that classic burgundy cloth interior. Correct. It's got all the correct Monet SS striping, all the correct spoiler package for it, and wicked cool car. They say this car was actually painted some time ago. There's a couple little marks on it, one right there. But really, really nice. Car runs and drives excellent, good, solid, straight North Carolina body, and very well maintained. They actually say a lady bought this car brand new. Again, I just put the brand new BF Goodrich Radial TAs on it. They replaced the front windshield, but I think the rest of this has got the original soft gray glass. Of course, the dual sport mirrors. Loaded up with options. Factory rear defog. I think 87's the last full year. I know they built these cars in 88, but I think they only had them for half a year. That's a pretty car right there. Good, solid, straight body. Again, brand new wheels and tires. There's about not wheels, brand new tires. I just put the tires on them this morning. Had to wait for those to come in to advertise it. In fact, my guys missed a little tire dressing on it. Those are the factory correct 15-inch aluminum wheels. Original 305 HO Chevy engine, stock 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, factory air. Pretty bone stock 204-hour automatic overdrive transmission. Just the way it would have came. This car has not been messed with. Yeah, you can see they still got a little blue on the tires there from when we had them shipped in. There's the original North Carolina safety sticker on it. I think I might have mentioned it. We got a clean CarFax on it. It's never been wrecked or anything like that. Again, it has had one repaint, but this is the original color. And they say the paint has actually been on this car for about 14, 15 years. Again, it's got all the soft gray glass on it. All your original door tags are still intact. Door skins are nice and clean. Factory burgundy cloth interior. Power windows, power locks. It's got both driver and passenger remote mirrors. It's got the power driver's seat. Original sill plates, original carpet. factory 60/40 bench seat, tilt column, cruise. Seats are nice. That is a nice car. 72,000 original miles, factory tach and gauges, rear defog. Again, it's got the correct Delco am-fm cassette radio. Dash is really nice. This car has been very well maintained. It's got the correct dual exhaust on it. It has the factory, what is it, GT4 I think is the option, which is the 10 bolt with the 373 limited slip rear end. It also has the F41 sport suspension package. Factory jack with spares in here. Your GM code sticker still on it with your jack instructions. That is a nice car. Again, these things are so much fun to drive. The great conversation pieces. Like I say, they're just, oops, sorry, I almost dropped my camera here. Probably turned it off. Nope, that's still on here. Come on, focus here. Might have done something. There we go. I got pictures of the bottom of the car. Left the car alone underneath there, guys. I didn't want this car over detailed. I wanted it left alone. Again, other than really wiping it down, and I put the new tires on it. They had Generals on it. I'm not a fan of those. So, it's got all the correct seat belts and everything still in it. Again, seats are very nice. I like the Monet SS floor mats they got. Again, that dash is really nice. Gauges are nice and clean. I think everything on the car works. I don't think we found anything on it that didn't work. Air works. You just kicked it out. I'm sure you heard it. It works. Sounds exactly like it should. Great car, man. Love that front end. And the white just looks clean on these cars. All your gauges work. Power windows work. Backup lights work. Sounds exactly like it should, man. It's like jumping back in 1987. Radio works, blower motor works. I don't have a cassette to put in there. Doors open and close real nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep in touch with us. Have a great day, guys.